Big baby bum bum. Learning and surprises are fun. It's a surprise egg learn a word. Let's learn Valentine's words. H. E. A. R. T. What's that spell? Heart. H. E. A. R. D. Heart. And now it's time for a sweet, sweet surprise. Shake, shake, shake. What is it? Oh, it's a Disney frozen surprise chocolate egg. Disney Frozen collectible figurine. Princess Elsa. And now it's time for a toy celebration. Thanks for hanging around with us. Bye. Big baby bum bum. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, tell us in the comments below, and subscribe. Learning and surprises are fun. Let's have some gooey fun.